This original is like 1902, and I have lived here for about 11 years. It was very sad, peeling paint and wind whistling through the windows. You could feel the draft all the way through the house because they were so deteriorated and rotted. I researched it online and I really liked their site. It told a lot about the siding and the windows. They did our siding and windows. They were very professional. He was very thorough and picky about his work, friendly but professional. They cleaned up after themselves very well. My husband noticed that you couldn't hear the wind outside anymore. Sunday morning he went outside and he said, "I can't believe it's windy." And I said, "What? You can't believe it's windy? It's always windy here." And he says, "No, I didn't hear it in the house." Yes, I would. I would tell them that the quality of the siding and windows is excellent. The people that install it are very professional, and if there's anything, even a hiccup that happens, they will treat you right and get it done right. I love the look of the house. I feel like I have a new home. And all my neighbors have all mentioned to me on Facebook or when they see me, or my lady that takes my mail to me, she left me a note. I mean, everybody is just very happy for me.